this squad depth that he's got and the options, but the reality is that it's still an over-reliance on certain players. You feel that the new players coming in only will really play if there's an injury. I know Saka, if that's the case for Madueke. That's why it's such a big call that Havertz plays ahead of the captain Odegaard this afternoon. And yet, so little football in his legs, Havertz. He still gets the nod ahead of Eza, who's considered this maverick player coming into the squad that Arsenal so desperately needed.
Stack will get on the end of that, and it's a smart nod onto Aronson. Trying to weave away from Gabriel. Gruev. Zubimendi in the way. So Leeds coming into this after having taken the lead at Everton on Monday. James Justin's goal. And Bogle tried to link up, and Leeds, a threat themselves from set pieces, get their first corner of the day.
No, they really are. Talk about his recruitment and having that kind of physical presence to compete for these. They absolutely destroyed Crystal Palace. 4 of their 4-1 win were all from set pieces, long throws, balls into the box. Let's not forget the Palace team who had 3 big centre-backs. Leeds will ask questions of Arsenal.
Great ball in, met by Havertz. Hurried back out in the direction of Stack. Trossard. That will relieve the pressure for Arsenal.
For all his attacking responsibility, Havertz, that's underestimated just how good he is defending his box. There's a brilliant header clear there on that corner.